How to find search history on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app in your phone. Now open that app in your phone and right click on the three lines. Click on this gear option and you have to scroll this bar and click on account center here. Now this type of screen will appear here. You have to click on your informations and the permissions here. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. There is an option of search history. You have to click on it and keep searching for or clear all the search history like this. Now all the search history will be cleared. This is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.